Welcome to this beautiful pool home in gated Ruby Lake. This 3 bedrooms, 2 baths gorgeous home is located in one of the most sought-after communities with great curb appeal and a welcoming interior of newer refinished hardwood floors, high ceilings, flowing floor plan, open kitchen and wonderful outdoor living. Spacious 16 by 18 family room with wood flooring, cozy fireplace and lots of space for relaxing and entertaining. Open kitchen concept with full appliance package, Corian counters, closet pantry and a breakfast bar. Master suite boasts custom plantation shutters, carpet flooring, 2 walk-in closets, sliders to the pool area and a huge master bath with dual vanities, walk-in shower and corner soaking tub. Guest bedrooms are both comfortably sized with generous walk-in closets. The second bathroom is conveniently located next to the guest bedrooms and doubles as a pool bath with door leading to the pool lanai. Inside laundry room with tile floors and included washer and dryer. Prime outdoor living space with architectural columns, covered lanai and a screened pool for endless entertainment and enjoyment. Other features include ceiling fans and blinds throughout, 2-car garage, irrigation system and more. Located in the desirable and gated community of Ruby Lake close to Legoland Florida, schools, shopping, dining, medical facilities and situated in between Tampa and Orlando. Call today to schedule your private showing.